Now guys, just take a good look at this. This is my real account, guys. Michael Jonah Moses FBS account. You can see over right here. So let me show you guys where we started this account from last week. We started this account with a deposit of $359 in this account, and we plug our FxBillprobot, which you can see over right here. You can see over. Let me check into the system. You can see right here. This is the same account. You can see over right here. Deposit in this account, $359. A whopping balance right now is $596, guys. And guys, let me show you guys on my phone right here. Let me show you guys on my phone. You can see over right here. Today profit now, a whopping profit of $199, guys. You can see for yourself, guys, how everything went so smoothly with our FxBillprobot, guys. So this is how we trade every day, and we make consistent profit. You can see this is a real account, guys. You can see this, guys, is a real account, guys. So guys, if you have not been making profit, guys, hit us direct so that we can give you access to our FxBillprobot and you start making consistent profit today. This is how we build the market, guys, with our FxBillprobot, guys. You make profit today.